Hello everyone. This application is all about Payrex Payment Acquire. Payrex Payment Acquire Odoo app used to manage Odoo web shop or web store order payment from Payrex Payment Acquire. This Odoo module helps to integrate Odoo website e-commerce payments with Payrex Payment Acquire, and this is one of the payment providers which we have done in Odoo. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this module, first we need to go to the website. Under the website we have a configuration. Under that we have a payment providers. Here this Payrex providers will be updated, and here the state we need to enable this, and we need to update the credential for the instance name and the instance API token. After updating this in the configuration, you will be able to update all this information, that is a payment method, payment journal, and maximum amount, currency, and the country. In the messages tab, you can update the help message, and if there is any pending or done or cancelled, you can update this particular messages. And after enabling this Payrex and after putting up the credential, we know we need to go to the website of homepage, and I'll click on shop button. So here you will be able to see different type of products which will be updated. I'll click on any one of the product, that is large desk, and I'll click on add to cart. I'll view the cart, and here I'll click on checkout. If there is any discount code you can update, I'll click on checkout. And here you can see there is a billing and shipping address. If you want to edit your address, you can just edit, otherwise you can click on confirm. So here the standard delivery and the choose a payment method will be Parex. So here I'll click on pay now. So this will get connected with the Payrex, where this credential, based on that it gets connected. And here you can see there is a choose payment method. So I'll click on this, and here you can see there is a pay USD of this much amount. I'll click on that particular pay USD on that. And once it's done, you will be able to see this finalize. So I will click on finalize, and here you will be able to see please wait, your payment has not been yet processed. So for processing the payment in the Odoo, we need to log into the Payrex administrator account, and here we need to go to the payment transaction. So here whatever the transaction which will be done in Odoo will be shown here. You can see this USD open and large disk, and which is right now we have done this transaction. Clicking inside this, you can see all the information, that is amount, ID, payment service, and the particular product with the amount, everything. And once after studying everything, click on mark as paid. After clicking this mark as paid, and once this is confirmed, then only in Odoo the amount get confirmed and the order get confirmed. So here you can see this is confirmed with all this information, and the status of the transaction have been changed successfully. So I'll just come to Odoo. You can see thank you for your order and your payment has been successfully processed. So this gets processed successfully once the confirmation is provided by the Payrex team, and you can just click on print button for printing up, and I'll go to the home page where you are having a website. So I'll go to the website. In the configuration, I'll go to the payment transaction, and whatever the transaction which we have done right now will be shown here. And you can see the payment method will be Payrex and the provider will be the Payrex. With all these information will be updated from the website. And in the backend for the sale order also this will be updated. So if you want to confirm the sale order, it will automatically confirm. You can see here the payment related to the transaction with reference to has been posted. So from which transaction has been done, with which payment method you have done, everything will be updated here. And you can create the invoice and do the delivery, and you can complete the process. This is regarding the Payrex. This is regarding the Payrex payment acquire. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.